Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy or Amylouise. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing. I'm here 3 times a week with beauty content for you. Today we are unboxing the Look Fantastic monthly subscription box, which is the Look Fantastic beauty box. I love this colour, I love this colour so much. It's like a Tiffany blue. It's like my favourite colour except for like purple and black. Beautiful. Anyway, that aside, I just got this month was late. That is nothing to do with Look Fantastic. That is the Royal Mail's issue. It was supposed to come on Monday and it went like to the other side of the country for I don't know what reason. It ended up in London and I'm northern, so like I don't know, it for some reason went to London and was in London for like 4 days and then arrived this morning. And when I got my tracking information from Royal Mail, it said that it was on 48-hour shipping, so it should have come like Monday or Tuesday, and today's Saturday, so I'm not in the best mood with Royal Mail, but we're going to open this and see what is in here. So as you open it, you've got your little mag, and that's got like some info in there. It gives you a breakdown of what comes into the box too. Okay, first product I'm pulling out is the Vintage Cosmetics Soft Silicone for a gentle exfoliation. So it looks like this. It's got a little, I don't know, I guess you put your fingers through here. On the back, it does feel soft and very silicone-y. It kind of feels like one of those squishy spiky balls that you got as a kid. So it just says to wet the silicone exfoliating pad with warm water, squeeze some of your favourite cleanser onto the exfoliating pad and then rub gently in circular motions. This will effectively remove makeup, dirt and bacteria from your skin. Rinse the pad and sucker to your mirror or bathroom towels to dry. Okay, so it does feel soft, but this is a manual form of exfoliation. I'm not a massive fan of manual exfoliation. I will give this a go, but if you want something like this, I would say not to use it more than like 2-3 times an absolute max a week. I prefer chemical exfoliators way more than this. My favourite one is the Ordinary BHA AHA peeling solution. That is amazing and it actually works. This is very easy to go overboard with manual exfoliation, especially stuff like the Knives Apricot scrub and that sort of stuff, walnut scrubs. No. This one is soft, so I think it would be a lot more gentle than something like that, but still maybe once or twice a week I would use that at the most. It's just not my kind of thing. In the book it says, a soft silicone bristle facial pad designed to use with your favourite cleanser and deeply cleanse your pores and remove any dead skin cells. Use regularly to reveal a gorgeous glowing complexion. Wet with warm water, squeeze your preferred facial cleanser onto the pad, gently rub over your skin in a circular motion, forming a lather, and then rinse thoroughly. It says suitable for daily use. Like I've already said, I'm not a fan of this sort of manual exfoliator. I would use it 2-3 times max a week. Next we have the Burt's Bees Cucumber Mint Lip Balm. Okay, so it says a deliciously flavoured version of the cult classic lip balm, formulated to condition and moisturise the lips for that pout that everyone will be buzzing about. You'll receive either refreshing cucumber, super sweet cherry or fresh watermelon. I would have preferred either of the other two to cucumber mint. Anyway, so it's got beeswax and coconut oil, and it just says to apply liberally as needed. It's a lip balm. I go through a lot of lip balm. Burt's Bees not my favourite. My favourite of all time is the Carmex in the squeezy tube, like the original, not the minty one. And recently I've been loving the by Titmouse, I don't know if you can see this, but a lip balm by Titmouse, which is an indie brand, and I got Vanilla Latte. I've been loving this one recently. It's like £5, really nice, and they've got some really good brands on Titmouse. I'll leave a link down below for you. Next product is, what in the world is this? Oh no. Okay, so I've got the L'Oreal Paris hand sanitizing gel. It's hand sanitizer. Like, can we really say anymore? Like, I feel like I'm constantly getting hand sanitizer. I mean, this is a pretty big bottle. I got a free one from Beauty Bay. I got one from Glossybox. Was it last month or the month before? Now I've got this one. Like, I'm getting a lot of this. I will use this because I'll just put it in my kit, but like, I'm over getting so many hand sanitizers. It's just constant. Like, it's so much. Is this in here? It's not in the book, which is a bit strange, but okay. Next product. I don't know if that's just like a random freebie they're thrown in. Who knows? So this is the e-cooking peeling mask. Don't panic if your skin turns red, it means it's working. What? I hope they're joking, because that is not... What? Like, in the skincare community, there's always this thing, like, people are always like, oh, my skin's tingling or my skin's burning, that must mean it's working. And then like every like skincare guru and anybody that knows anything about skincare is like, no, that is not what that means. So yeah, I'm hoping that what it says on the lid is just them like poking fun at that. So it says, top tip, due to the peeling nature of this mask, it is not recommended for use before going out into the sun. Perfect. So it says, what is it? It is an effective face mask with peeling effects to tighten and smooth your complexion. Its active ingredients rid your skin of dense skin cells and encourages skin cell production, which over time decreases the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Your skin will prickle upon application and may look red after use. This is completely normal. I will say, with my BHA AHA from The Ordinary, your skin does go a little flush, but it doesn't last, and that is just because of the how can I put this? Because it's going into your skin and exfoliating within your skin. It's not just like taking off the top layer kind of thing, and it is a very powerful product. Your skin can go a little red, nothing too major. I know that I've seen people like going out and like put it on and leave it on for like an hour and then be like, oh my god, I've got myself sunburned from it. Like, no, use your brain. So I'm guessing that this is a very similar product. It says apply a thin layer onto dry, cleansed skin, avoiding eyes and mouth. Leave for 4 to 6 minutes, building up to 10 to 12 minutes over the time, but no longer than that. Rinse with warm water and follow with a nourishing moisturizer 1 to 3 times a week. I do find it curious that they put this and this one in together. I would say if you're gonna use them both, I would stick to using each one once a week, because honestly you don't want to over exfoliate your skin and then like have an what's the word I'm looking for, a compromised skin barrier. It's just not good, and you will regret over exfoliating your skin. So the next product I have is Stress Check Kind Hands Smoothing Hand Cream for Dry Overwashed Hands by This Works. I think that's the brand. So it says, an intensely moisturising hand cream perfect for replenishing skin after washing or sanitising. The formula locks in essential hydration, providing fast acting relief without leaving any sticky residue. Also enriched with this wax stress check fragrance to uplift your senses with every use. Shea butter, vitamin E, bio boost oil, lavender and ylang ylang. Massage into hands after washing or sanitising until fully absorbed. I'm sure most of you already know I do have contact dermatitis on my right hand, which is massively aggravated by constantly washing and sanitising my hands. I work as a makeup artist and I work at Burger King, and for both jobs I'm constantly washing and sanitising my hands. And then COVID hit and it got a lot more severe, and so my hand cracks and bleeds and it is very, very sore. I have creams from doctors and I still go through bottles upon bottles of hand cream and moisturiser every month, trying to just keep my hand at a nice kind of level without it getting too dry. And honestly, most of the time I still fail because it is so drying at the minute with all the hand sanitizer and stuff. So anytime I'm gonna get hand creams in these kind of boxes, I'm gonna be happy because it saves me money having to go and buy more from doctors and pharmacies and supermarkets, because literally every shop I go in I buy hand cream. It is ridiculous. I can never have enough. Next is, what is this? Comfort Zone Hard Memory Gel, cream gel, sorry, 24-hour double hydration cream gel. I have no idea what this is. Where is this on here? This is not in the book. This is the second product I've got in this book, in this box that's not in the book. In the book I've got ESPA, the peeling mask, a serum, and then the second page is Bare Bees, a multifunctioning soap sponge, the silicone pad, and the last thing that I got, the hand cream. I do not know what this is. I can't see any information about it. On the back it says, I can read this tiny little writing, 24-hour double hydration cream gel with a double hydrating effect with macro hyaluronic acid, a pool of natural extracts and moringa oil obtained from certified fair trade cultivations to provide the skin barrier and maintain optimally moisture levels of the skin. Skin is visibly hydrated for 24 hours, smooth and soft. An innovative water-based texture gives an immediate feeling of freshness. Recommended for normal and mixed skin types. This is really hard to read, by the way, it's tiny. Applied to the face and neck morning and evening. After serums. Okay, so it's just like a really hydrating moisturizer. It is 15ml. It is by, I'm guessing the brand is Comfort Zone. But yeah, can we see this? Come on, lights work. Camera. Okay, so I don't know why I've got a second product that I have no idea what it is and it's not in here, but it is what it is. The next product is Kiwi. My camera stopped filming. This is literally the second video I've ever filmed with this camera. I don't understand why. After a certain amount of time, it's just like, I'm not filming anymore. So the next product is the KW Dr. Botanicals Kiwi Superfood Cooling Eye Serum. Can we see this? Yeah, I'm always up for an eye serum, like literally always. I've just bought the CeraVe eye cream. I love CeraVe, top favourite. So this is It is a lightweight, quick absorbing serum formula eye treatment that combines superfood ingredients to create a smoothing treatment to defend the delicate eye area against external aggravators. Use regularly to see a visible reduction in signs of aging. It's got seaweed, kiwi seed oil, vitamin A, grapefruit, caprylic, and I can never say this word, gluconoloctone. It's a pHer. I literally can never say that word no matter how many times I try. And it just says to tap a small amount under the eye and up to the brow bone after cleansing, so the entire eye area basically, particularly under the eye, and then sweeping up. You definitely, if you've got like any sort of eye cream, don't just put it underneath, get that crow's feet area. I always take it over pretty much the entire eye area. I want to look after my eyes. They are like one of the first things that show aging on everyone. Okay, that is all the products in the box. Is that all the products that it shows me? So I got that and that. That and that. Okay, so in the book it's saying that I was supposed to get the Daily Concepts multifunctional soap sponge mother of pearl, just here. This was not in the box, but then I got the L'Oreal hand sanitizer and that moisturizer, so I'm guessing they was thrown in because maybe they ran out of the sponge, which honestly I'm not sad at. So that I will read just for the people that did get it or are interested. So that is an exfoliating, deeply cleansing, clarifying sponge enriched with mother of pearl to enhance radiance and improve skin's overall texture. Soap on the outside, sponge on the inside. Yeah, I definitely would not have used this. It says wet the sponge, massage into the skin, watching the soap lather as you do. Use circular motions all over the body, rinse and reuse as often as you wish. Top tip, store your sponge on a soap dish to protect from detrimental effects of improper storage. Okay, so it's not for the face. Okay, I would use this on my body. I would never have used anything like that on my face. It's just a no-go. It's interesting that they've put a lot of exfoliating stuff in here. You've got the silicone pad, you've got that, and the mask. Like, what are they trying to say? And then as usual they've got the rest kind of like bumpy stuff in the back of the magazine. It's just like a girly magazine, you know, like the tabloidy kind of beauty segments in those like girly mags, but I can read it, so I don't have an issue. That is everything for this month's look. I nearly called it a glossy box. It's the Look Fantastic subscription box. I don't know why. I literally unboxed the glossy box last night. I've still got it out in front of me. That is everything for this month's box, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you would like to join my Coffee Bean family, my Patreon, there is a link down in the description box below. You can hit that, take straight to my Patreon. It's literally £1 a month. Get to hang out with me and some of my other patrons and just have a good time. If not, that's fine too, and if you haven't already, please do hit that like button. I will see you in the next one. Bye.